You seem stressed. What's wrong?
I have an issue. A huge issue.
Okay, tell me what happened.
I went for a walk and left my phone at home.
You left your phone? Oh no. Did you leave anything else?
Yes, I shut the door and forgot my wallet inside too.
Oh, now you're locked out.
Yeah, locked out with no wallet, no phone.
That's tough. Anyone who can help?
My friend will get back later tonight. Really late.
So you're outside till late tonight.
Exactly. What do you think I should do?
Well, you actually have a whole day off now.
A day off? It feels strange. No money, no phone.
Don't worry. Maybe it's a chance to do things differently.
Differently? Really?
Yeah, try spending a day totally unplugged.
A day totally unplugged. That's kind of scary.
It might surprise you. We can do something together.
Do together? Where do we start?
Let's go to the park.
The park?
Sure.
And how do we get there?
We can cycle.
Without my phone? No map? No taxi?
No phone today. Let's just use our bikes. All right, let's ride. No phone, no wallet, just bikes.
Here we are. The park entrance.
The park entrance.
Yes, we wait for a green light to cross.
Okay, waiting at the crosswalk.
Look, the light turned green.
Great. I was worrying it might be hard without GPS.
Why worry?
I usually check every turn on my phone.
Today, you'll learn a new way.
A new way?
Look for street signs and just ask people.
Okay, street signs and talking to people.
Now let's get onto the bike trail.
All right, on to the trail.
Pick a spot, shade or sun.
I like a shady bench.
Let's take the shady spot by the pond.
Good idea.
It's a bit weird.
Why?
Everyone else is on their phone, but not me.
That's pretty common.
I feel awkward. What should I do now?
Watch the ducks.
Watch the ducks?
Yes, notice the animals, the trees, the water.
All right. That's a beautiful view.
Much better than staring at a small screen, right?
Definitely better. No phone really opens my eyes.
And we can talk more, too.
Yes, talking face to face, not to a phone.
Remember, we'll leave when you feel ready.
Let's spend some more time. Don't let me get bored.
No way. I'll keep things interesting.
Thank you, Maya. It does feel odd, but also freeing.
Odd and freeing. Nice combination.
Yes, at first it's tough, but I think I'm learning.
Exactly. You're learning how to enjoy little things.
A phone-free day isn't so bad.
The museum's next stop.
Here's the museum.
It's big and so quiet inside.
Yes, perfect for looking at art and history.
Art and history.
No loud sounds?
Nope. People come here to learn and observe.
Observe. You mean to pay attention?
Exactly. Pay attention and discover new things.
I'll give it a try.
Good. Let's walk inside.
Inside the museum.
Wow, so many paintings everywhere.
Yeah, so many pieces. Where do we start?
Let's check out the science room.
Science.
They've got exhibits for just about everything.
Everything? Even biology and space?
Yes, definitely. Art, science, travel, you name it.
Not just paintings? That's new to me.
Here, I'll read about this fossil.
Fossil. From dinosaurs?
Yep. Let's sit near the giant skeleton.
Nice spot. Lots of sunlight.
Yes. Feels warm in here.
Warm? You mean comfortable?
Exactly. Comfortable and relaxed.
All right. I like this warm, quiet museum.
Now, look at this sign. It explains ancient animals.
Ancient animals.
That means very old animals.
Yes. Old animals that lived long ago.
All right, let's read slowly together.
Jake, it's nice to learn without a phone.
Books and signs give full explanations.
Full explanations, not just quick facts.
Right, not little bits. Real, full details.
I'm getting calm now.
Very calm.
Museums help you relax.
Learning like this feels peaceful.
That's awesome, Jake. You see the difference?
I do. No phone, more knowledge.
No phone, more knowledge.
Read a bunch today. Tired yet?
Maybe a little.
Let's give our brains a break.
Resting our minds means stop studying?
That's right.
Let's head to the lake.
The lake.
Here's the lake, Jake.
Wow, huge and shining blue.
Yes, it's open and peaceful.
Open and peaceful.
See the ducks and turtles?
Ducks and turtles? Always moving.
Right. Nature is never still.
Never still. Always alive?
Exactly. Nature is always changing.
Feels new. Normally, I just see lakes in photos.
Now you see with your own eyes.
With my own eyes, not on a screen?
Let's sit near the water on the dock.
Okay. Dock's wooden and cool.
Wood and sun.
Take off your shoes and dangle your feet in.
All right. That feels great.
See? No phone, just lake and sky.
Just lake and sky.
Watch those kids jumping in.
Some take pictures, but we don't need that.
Why not?
Because we remember moments inside us.
Memory inside, not outside in photos?
Yeah. Real memories last longer than pictures.
Maybe that's true.
Sun's starting to set.
Sky's turning pink.
Yes, pink and purple colors.
I like it.
Listen to splashing, birds singing.
Soothing sounds.
Do you feel peaceful?
Yeah, peaceful.
Don't miss my phone at all.
Awesome. You see, phone-free days are possible.
Possible and relaxing.
Relaxing is the word.
Feeling calm and happy.
Calm and happy.
Let's enjoy the sunset.
Let's enjoy.
The sun's almost gone, Jake.
Yes, sky's dark now.
Getting late. Want to do something else?
Like what?
Let's try the bowling alley.
Bowling alley?
Big lanes and bowling pins.
Much bigger than games on the phone.
That's for sure.
Let's bowl.
Okay, let's bowl.
Bowling alley.
Here's the bowling alley.
Big place with lots of lights.
Called the entry, right?
Yes, the entry area before the lanes.
So many scoreboards on the wall.
Scoreboards.
That means games happening now or soon?
Exactly. Current games or waiting to start.
Got our 2 shoes ready.
Yep, shoes and lane assigned. Let's play.
All right, off to lane 7, near the middle.
Lane 7, middle spot.
Nice and comfy view.
Comfy view.
Bowling lanes stretch out.
Look, pins look bigger than on a phone.
Absolutely. Games in real life feel bigger.
See? Jake, it's your turn.
So loud here. Music and people.
Loud and lively, not silent like a phone.
Small screens just aren't the same.
Bright lights everywhere.
Much more exciting than playing at home.
You enjoy bowling, Jake?
Yes, so fun. Much better than gaming.
Bowling's a special activity.
Special and awesome. I love it.
Let's relax and bowl a few more rounds.
Sounds good. Together, it's fun.
Game's finished.
So, Jake, did you have fun today?
Absolutely. Bowling was fantastic.
Glad it made your day.
Walking home now, everything looks different at night.
Street lights make the city warm.
Tall buildings glowing all over.
City stays busy and alive even late.
Walking without a phone feels easier.
Hands are free, eyes can look around.
Saw more and thought more.
Like what?
Like, life can feel complete without a phone.
Great insight, Jake.
I was anxious this morning, but now I feel relaxed.
One step at a time, your day changed.
Park, museum, lake, bowling, all phone-free.
Managed well. A whole day without any device.
And I'm proud of that.
Proud and accomplished.
You gained a lot today.
Learned a lot. Like English skills?
Exactly. Practice English in real places.
Park, museum, lake, bowling alley. 4 places, 4 activities.
Kept repeating new words all day.
Repeating helps.
Feeling more confident now.
Confidence is your best reward.
Less phone, more learning.
I like that.